Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another PC related tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix and solve your sound problem on HP PC, HP computer. So let's fix the problem. First of all, go to your search button and on the search bar type computer management and double click here. And here you can see the device manager. Just click that option and now scroll down a little bit, find the option sound, video and game controller. Expand that option. Here this is the driver name of mine, my PC sound high definition audio driver. This name might be different on your PC. Now right click this one and click updated driver here, and now click this one, search automatically for updated driver software, and it will search you for the best and updated driver. And my updated driver is already installed, so close this one. Now right click this one again and click install this device. And don't panic. Installing means it doesn't remove the driver from your PC. And click install here and restart your PC, and after restarting it, this driver will automatically download it onto your PC. Just install it and your problem will be fixed. If this method doesn't work, there is another way how you can fix it. Go to your speaker option and right click that option and go to your sound settings here. And here you can see sound control panel. Just click that option and click your speaker option and right click that option, and now go to your properties here and go to enhancement option, and this uncheck this option, disable all enhancement. If this is checked, uncheck this option and apply, click apply and then OK, and in that way your sound problem will be fixed. And I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.